And we're the co-founders of
Animals of the World.
This is our current base that we call House of Strays.
And I'm going to take you round on a little tour so you can meet our rescues. For 3 years, this space has been an essential home for hundreds of previous neglected strays. Due to a high rise in numbers since COVID-19, we have completely outgrown this property. These are our current dog enclosures at House of Strays. We will be taking them down and reinstalling them at our new property. What we lack most at our current property is space. This big move will give us the ability to have all of the separated areas we need to keep our rescues happy and safe.
You showed me how to let my hands go. You showed me how to breathe the heat. And now I feel the push of the stream that has kept me going. And now I see what I can be in your eyes. You lit a flame, we spoke my name. Show me the light.
We do the very best we can with what we have. And with this in mind, we aim to improve our rescue home's condition, to make House of Strays the best haven it can be for those who desperately need refuge and rehabilitation. are our current quarantine areas. It's essential that when we move to our new property, that we expand these so that we can safely separate all of our rescued patients.
This is the property that we believe could be perfect for our next base. The most important things when looking for the new property was to make sure that we had high walls for security reasons. Another important thing was to make sure we had no direct neighbours, because as you can imagine, a rescue home with over 100 cats and dogs can make lots of noise. That we are in is just half of the property that we will be renting. And as you can see, there's the fence.
The reason we have two complete separate sections, so this one will be where the animals sleep, where Strays carers sleep, me and Billy and one of our workers, but the other side, we'll show you in a minute, will be where all of our animals can spend their day chilling, grazing, and yeah, just being a House of Straya. So this is the area I'm so excited about, because if we do get this property, this will be the area where all my paralysed dogs live. And they just have so much flat land here to run around in their wheelchairs. We'll be able to see them at all times because Strays Carers House is
there. Not all of our rescues made it into this video, as we currently have over 100 animals living at House of Strays. If you can donate towards our big move, we'd be so grateful. And please remember to like, comment and share.